for the weekend. Waking up next to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today is a very exciting video. It's a Christmas cook and clean with me, so it is packed with clean and motivation, and I'm also going to be sharing a yummy slow cooker recipe a little bit later. I love sharing slow cooker recipes, especially this time of year. They're just so warm and cozy and they leave the whole house smelling gorgeous.
When the sky comes alive, let's have a chat.
So before we get too far into it, today's video is a collaboration with my lovely friend Grace Smith. We met through YouTube and she is honestly one of the loveliest people I think I've ever met. She does lots of clean and motivation as well as yummy recipes on her channel, and she's also got a Christmas cook and clean up for you guys today, so do be sure to head over. Once you've finished watching this one, let her know in the comments if you came from here, and also subscribe to her channel because I know she would love to have you there. I'm going to have everything you need linked down in the description box below. So I'm starting off today by clearing out the kitchen. I hate cooking in a messy kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and do the washing up, clean the sink, wipe down the sides, and just prep it for cooking a little bit later.
Talking on the phone, I make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. Whoa.
Once everything's been washed up and it's nice and clean, I'm going to go straight back in and dry it up just so I can get it put away straight away, so I can go in and clean the sink. So of course the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the Cif cream and the Minky and just give it a good scrub over, getting off anything that's stuck to it, because I always tend to get cheese stuck to it. I don't know if that's just me, but it honestly goes like super glue. So I'm going to give it a good scrub over with the Cif cream, and then after that wipe all the bubbles off with a dry microfiber cloth and go back over it with the white vinegar spray. I just love using the white vinegar spray now to buff everything up. It really does leave everything super shiny.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
So once that's all done, I'm then going to go in and wipe over the sides with the Flash Spiced Apple Spray. It just smells so festive and gorgeous. So I'm just going to wipe down all of the sides, getting it nice and clean, ready for cooking a little bit later. So once the kitchen was all done, I then headed through into the living room just to put everything away and sort it out, get it ready for the day, and also go in and give it a good hoover. There's literally hay everywhere, so it needs a good hoover today. I do use both of them now. I use my corded hoover if there's a lot of hay, and then I go around the rest of the house with the cordless hoover, just because I don't want to end up clogging up my cordless hoover with endless amounts of hay. So I go in with both. Definitely recommend both. They're really good. So I'm gonna tidy around everywhere, just whiz round, get it all ready to hoover, and then I'm also gonna go in and change some of my Christmas decorations. I don't know how many times I've changed it now, but I wanted it to look a little bit more dramatic under the tree with a lot more decorations, but I've soon changed my mind, and now it's just looking a little bit too busy. And you know what I'm like with clutter, it just looks a little bit too cluttered and overwhelming for me. So once I've given everything a good hoover and a good clean, I'm then going to go in, switch some things around, and see what I can do.
Nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the
So this actually just took me way longer than I even want to admit. I just didn't know what to do with it, and I kept standing back and looking, and it really did take me ages. But I'm really glad that I finally got there. I moved some things out, I moved some things in, and you are just seeing my whole thought process play out here. But yeah, I think it looked really good at the end.
just like the snowflakes falling for you.
So I finally figured out what I wanted to do, and I ended up using the box that we got for Cinnabon's hay and all of his bedding and everything. We picked it up from B&M the other day, and it's like a blush pink velvet box. It's so pretty, and I thought it would be perfect to go in my little pink corner. So I just moved some stuff around, and I think it looks really good like that. So that's what it looks like. I am going to end up taking the teddy upstairs because, like I said, it's just a little bit too cluttered with him. And then I moved the stag over this side, so I'm just going to have to keep an eye on our bunny and make sure he doesn't eat everything. But yeah, that is much better. I just ended up moving the table that was there over here with a couple of bits on, but this section is just looking a little bit worse for wear anyway, so I definitely do need to go back in, declutter stuff, move things around, but I'm really glad with how that ended up.
Would it be too much to
I'm now going to go ahead and start prepping dinner, and today I'm making a vegetable hot pot with dumplings, and it was so nice. We did miss out a few ingredients. You can have butternut squash and other vegetables, but we're not really too keen on that in this house, so I've just stuck with the carrots and onions. I'm just going to chop those up, pop them in the frying pan for 4 to 5 minutes before adding them to the slow cooker. Once that's all in, I'm then going to pop in 2 tablespoons of the flour, the tinned tomatoes, the tomato puree, and also the vegetable stock, and then you can leave that for 3.5 hours before even starting your dumplings, so it gives me plenty of time to clean up the mess that I made. As you can see, I'm really not the cleanest of cooks. I make such a mess when I'm cooking, so I'm just going to go around, wipe down all the sides, do the little bit of washing up that's left, and just prepare the dumplings ready to put in a couple of hours.
I've been we did. All the joy it brings to be with you. I've been longing, I've been so lonely, wishing you could hold me now. I've been trying, I'm in denial.
So just like all my other recipes, I am going to go ahead and leave all of the ingredients listed down in the description box below, because I'm just not very good at explaining things, so it's so much easier for you guys if I just write it down. If you do go ahead and make it, don't forget to tag me over on Instagram so I can see all of your creations, and also let me know down in the comments what your favourite slow cooker recipe is.
But under the stars, I close my eyes and think of you. Although you're far away, we're under the same stars. Always, always.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is
So it's only about 4:30, and as you can see it's already getting dark, which is just mental, but I actually quite like it because I can just go around closing all the blinds and the curtains and just making everything super cozy. So the first thing I need to do is pop these dumplings in. Now it's been in for a few hours, and then I can just go around the house and make it nice and cozy, ready for the evening.
fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget that today's video is a collaboration with Grace, so please do pop over to Grace's channel, show her some love, and also subscribe to her channel, letting her know in the comments that you came from here. And if you are here from Grace's channel, hello and welcome. It's really good to have you here, and I really hope you decide to stick around by subscribing to my channel as well. Let me know down in the comments if you have come from Grace's channel, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the